Ever wondered why some people say, if it's not Boeing, I'm not going? Well, recent events might have you reconsidering that mantra. You see, Boeing, a household name in the aviation industry, is currently navigating some turbulent skies, specifically with its 737 MAX series. Alignment, it's something we often take for granted, but when it comes to building an airplane, it's a different ballgame entirely. Recently, Boeing discovered a new quality issue with about 50 undelivered 737 MAX airplanes. The problem? Misaligned holes on a window frame assembly. Now, while this might not seem like an immediate flight safety concern, it's causing quite a ripple effect in the aviation world. This seemingly minor misalignment has led to major incidents and delays in shipments from a major supplier, throwing a wrench into Boeing's production schedule. But wait, there's more. The FAA, or the Federal Aviation Administration if you're not into the whole brevity thing, has stepped in. They've capped 737 production at 38 jets a month to address these quality lapses and have put a pin in any production increases. The FAA's response doesn't stop there, though. They've also increased oversight on both Boeing and its key supplier, Spirit Aerosystems. This move comes after a panel blew out mid-flight on a new Alaska Airlines MAX 9 jet. A situation that definitely raised a few eyebrows and concerns about Boeing's safety culture and production quality. So what's the FAA's game plan? They've launched a 6-week audit of Boeing's 737 factory and plan to keep inspectors on the ground for regular surveillance. Essentially, they've told Boeing, no more 737 MAX production expansion until you sort out these quality issues. This whole saga underscores the crucial role of quality control processes in maintaining safety and trust in Boeing's aircraft. So, next time you hear someone say, if it's not Boeing, I'm not going, you might want to ask them if they've heard the latest news. Because when it comes to flying, it's not just about the destination, but also about how you get there. And for now, it seems like Boeing has some homework to do.